All right, so now we're to the u substitution spot. So I would let, looks like a y, u equal to 1 plus 4x squared. So du is equal to 8x dx. So dx is du over 8x. And then we take the antiderivative of x over u squared, and then du over 8x, so then the x's cancel out, and I'm left with 1/8 u to the negative second power du, so this is negative 1/8 u to the negative first plus c, so the negative 1/8 1 plus 4x squared to the negative first plus c, so that's negative 1 over 8 1 plus 4x squared plus c. And that's this guy. Okay, next one. That's 2. You're doing 2 on your own. 3. So then u is equal to 2x squared plus 1. So du is equal to 4x dx. So dx is du over 4x. So this is x, u to the 4th, du over 4x. The x's cancel out. So I'm left with a 1/4 u to the 4th du. So then I have a 1/4, and then I have a u to the 5th. So then that's a 1/5 and a plus c. So 1 over 20 u to the 5th plus c. So then 1 over 20, 2x squared plus 1 to the 5th power plus c, which is this guy. Okay, and that's it for this Google form. So we did question 3, so I'll skip the first one in this one, and then we'll go to the next one. Just keep alternating questions. So u is equal to 9 minus x squared, so du is equal to negative 2x dx, so dx is du over negative 2x, so this is x over root u du over negative 2x, the x's cancel out, so this is the antiderivative of negative 1/2 u to the negative 1/2 du, so negative 1, just kidding, getting ahead of myself. This is u to the positive 1/2. So then that's multiplied by 2 and then plus c, so that cancels out. So this is negative u to the 1/2 plus c. So negative square root of 9 minus x squared plus c, which is that guy. And then we skip this one, and we do this one. So then u is equal to 2y minus 3y squared. So du is equal to 2 minus 6y dy. So dy is equal to du over 2 times 1 minus 3y. I did that conveniently because I have a 1 minus 3y in the top and a root u in the bottom, and then a du over 2 1 minus 3y, because I factored it, so then that way I knew I was going to have to cancel that out. So this is 1, I keep wanting to write 1/4, 1/2 u to the negative 1/2 du. So then this is negative, nope. This is u to the 1/2. That would be a 2, and then this is multiplied by a 1/2, and then a plus c. So this is just root u plus c. So this is the square root of 2y minus 3y squared plus c, which is this guy here. And then we skip this one, and we're to the end of the Google form. So then we go to the next one, and we do the first one this time. Okay, so this one's a little interesting. So I'm letting u be equal to the exponent. So u is equal to root x. So du is equal to 1/2 u, oops, not u, just kidding. X to the 1, negative 1/2 dx. So then du is equal to 1 over 2 root x dx. So dx is equal to du, just kidding, equal to 2 root x du. So I have e to the u. I have a root x. And instead of dx, I have 2 root x du. And then I can cancel out my root x's. And so I have 2e to the u du, which is 2e to the u plus c, which is 2e to the root x plus c, which is that one there. I was trying to change colors, then it didn't really work out for me. Okay, not that one, this one. Okay, so this is a property of logarithms. So this is e to the ln of x cubed plus e to the 3x. Technically, your only u substitution is right here because e to the ln of something is just the something. So this is the antiderivative of x cubed plus e to the 3x dx. And now I told you guys before, you can reverse engineer this. So this is 1/4 x to the 4th. And then this would be, it's e to the 3x is the antiderivative. And then it's times the reciprocal of your exponent coefficient. And then a plus c. So that would be one of these over here somewhere. Or right here. Okay. Not that sky. We'll do this one. Okay, so this one is the exact same thing as your, whatchamacallit, your grade scope, which is the last one here. So don't get like u substitution happy. Before there was an x here, and so it was really easy for us to do u substitution. Right now there's no x, so this looks like an arc sine. Okay, so we're going to make it look like arc sine. So I have a dx. I'm going to factor out a root 9. What does that do? That gives me a 1 minus x squared over 9. So this is dx 3 root 1 minus x squared over 9. So then this is the antiderivative of dx. Now I'm going to make some fancy maneuvering here. 1 minus, oops, not plus. Oh, 1 minus, instead of x squared over 9, I'm going to write this as x over 3, the quantity squared. Now it really does look like arc sine. I can let u be equal to x over 3. So du is equal to 1/3 dx. So dx is equal to 3 du. So that makes this a 3 du, 3 root 1 minus u squared. My 3's cancel out, so I'm left with a du over root 1 minus u squared, which is the arc sine of u plus c. And my u is x over 3. And arc sine is the same thing as sine inverse, so that is this guy here, okay? And that is it for this section. So you can go ahead and write this out for your grade scope as well.